Ancient Egypt, a civilization buried in sand, yet filled with secrets that still defy science. Not myths, not legends, real mysteries that experts still cannot explain, because some discoveries simply shouldn't exist. Let's begin with something impossible. The Great Pyramid of Giza, built over 4,500 years ago, with millions of stone blocks, each weighing several tons. But here's the problem. No machinery, no cranes, no advanced tools. So how did they do it? Even today, engineers struggle to explain how such precision was achieved. The pyramid is aligned almost perfectly with the cardinal directions, almost perfectly north. But it gets stranger. The structure is so precise, modern tools can barely replicate it. And inside, there are no clear construction marks, no evidence of how it was built, only silence and stone. Now let's go deeper. Hidden inside Egyptian temples are carvings that shouldn't exist. At a temple in Abydos, hieroglyphs appear to show a helicopter, a submarine, even something resembling a jet, thousands of years before these machines were invented. Coincidence? Or something lost in history? Scientists say it's overlapping carvings, but many aren't convinced, because the shapes are too accurate, too familiar. Now consider this. Ancient Egyptians performed surgery, not basic treatment, but complex medical procedures. Evidence shows skull surgeries, with patients who actually survived. How? Without modern medicine, without anesthesia as we know it, and yet they succeeded. Their knowledge of the human body was far ahead of its time. But where did that knowledge come from? Then there's something even stranger. The Dendera light. Ancient carvings that resemble a giant light bulb with a filament-like structure inside. Some believe it shows early electricity. Others say it's symbolic. But the resemblance is undeniable, and it raises a disturbing question. Did ancient Egyptians have knowledge we lost? Or something they weren't meant to have? Now let's talk about sound. Certain chambers in pyramids produce strange acoustic effects. Low-frequency vibrations. That can alter human perception. Some researchers believe they were used in rituals. Others think something else, something more advanced, because these effects are too precise to be accidental. And then there are the mummies. Bodies preserved for thousands of years, still intact, still recognizable. Modern science still studies their preservation techniques. And yet, we still don't fully understand how they achieved it so perfectly. No decay, no complete breakdown, just preservation, as if time was paused. And maybe that's the real mystery, because ancient Egypt wasn't just advanced, it was something else, something we don't fully understand, and maybe never will, because what if these weren't just achievements, but evidence of knowledge that disappeared with them, buried beneath the sand, waiting to be discovered again?